Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix if the Roblox voice chat is not working on your device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you or tell you in this video. So let's get on it. First, what I'm going to teach you or show you is how you can do the basic checks and fixes. So start the troubleshooting process by performing the following basic checks and fixes right here. So first, restart your Roblox on your computer to ensure a temporary glitch hasn't caused the problem. And then you can even unplug and reconnect your audio input and output devices. Close the other apps running in parallel with Roblox that might be causing your microphone or speaker concurrently, especially if you're using one of the best voice chat apps for gaming. So if you have more than one audio input or output device plugged into your device, consider unplugging all except the ones you plan to use for Roblox. So if none of these above checks resolve the problem, continue with the remaining steps. So continue watching this video. So the second option is to check for the device specific issues. So check whether the issue persists only on Roblox or throughout your operating system. So it will help determine if your operating system settings interfere with Roblox voice chat feature. So first, ensure your audio input and output devices are correctly connected to your computer and detected by operating system. To check that, go to your settings and then tap onto or click onto the system and then lastly onto the sound. And then in here, select the correct audio output device if you have more than one connected. And click onto the device to reveal its settings. And then click onto the text under the output settings. So right here. And then next or afterward, go back to the sound settings page and select the correct microphone. Click onto the primary microphone device to access its settings and then just click onto the start test and are under the input settings. So right here, here's the start test as shown in the picture. After that, click on to the stop test button after speaking for a few seconds. So if you see any percentage of the recorded volume next to the result, your microphone is connected. And after confirming that both audio devices are connected, you should ensure both are set as default. So to check that, click onto the more sound settings and settings on the settings page. And then after that, go to the playback tab, right click on your primary audio output device and select the set as default device. And then lastly, you need to go to the recording tab and click on to the primary audio input device and select the set as default device. And then next, what you can do is to ensure that the voice chat feature is enabled in Roblox. So voice chat isn't available for a Roblox account. Only users who are 13 and above and have verified their age can actually access it. So you won't see this feature in Roblox settings if you aren't old enough or haven't verified your age. So if you meet the age requirements but haven't verified your age, you can find instructions on verifying your age and setting up voice chat on the Roblox website. So you can go ahead and do that first. But if you've already activated the feature by verifying your age, make sure the feature is enabled. So to check that, log in into your Roblox account onto the click onto the gear icon in the top right corner and just simply select the settings. Then open the Roblox settings from the Roblox website and then navigate to the privacy tab and check that the enable voice chat is toggled on, just like right here as shown in the picture. So that's for the third way. And then lastly, what you can do is to ensure the Roblox experience supports voice chat. So as of this video, Roblox experiences don't support a voice chat, so you cannot use this feature when playing them. So if the voice chat feature is already enabled in Roblox settings, find out whether the experience where the voice chat isn't working supports it. So an easy way to confirm that is to simply ask other players if they use voice chat in that experience. If that is not possible, you can check the experiences listing on the Roblox to confirm this. So if the experience does not support the feature, you can wait for the developer to add it in the future updates. So if the experience supports this feature but doesn't work on your end, then some other issue might be at play. So that's it. Remember, that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps again at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.